I see you. 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 Yes, I do. I see you. Hello. Hello. I see you. Do 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 do. When I get off of this mountain, I know where I want to go. I'm gonna go check out that bear looking around the show. He's eating up all the garbage. You know he's gonna have his fill. And when Wednesday comes around, he's gonna come back again. Up in Poconos, we got 'em, lots of bears around. I'm telling you, they like to knock over the garbage cans and eat is what they want. Bow, 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 bow. He knocks over all the garbage cans and he eats whatever he likes. He don't come around in day, he only comes around at night. He's looking for them yummy bits, he likes to eat his fill. And when he's hungry, well, he can't wait until he comes down from the Poconos. You know that he always knows where the garbage is, and it shows that he's a big bear. Doodly dee there. Boing, 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 bing, bing, bing. I took out all my flashlight and I shined it all on him. Then I got my camera and went for a little night swim. And this old bear's looking at me funny as could be. He says, well, I'm gonna eat this stuff no matter what he sees. Up in Poconos, the bears come, you don't know what they knows. I'm telling you, they know more than you, 'cause they smart. I'm telling you that the bears are all around us. Well, this one's kind of big. I'm gonna say about 250 pounds. And I know every day he's making his rounds. And there ain't nothing that can stop him if he's hungry to you. He's gonna knock that garbage can down in front of you. Up in the Poconos, we got 'em. Lots of bears, I'm telling you, they shot 'em. If they got close enough to a lot of 'em. I'm telling you that he's a little bear dream, yeah. I lay hoo, little lay hoo. Well, there's a flood down in California, and the north is freezing cold. And living off this road is getting kind of old. But I like to see a bear come around here. It does my soul good. There he is walking around, walking to the wood. Up in Poconos, we got lots of bears, you know. There's a lot of them. Where'd he go? Bye, sweetie. Bye. Come back again real soon now.